In the Twin Cities, it was fair. It was 68 degrees, or 20 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 37. The relative humidity was 32%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 29.98 inches and steady. Around the metro, it was 68 at Lake Elmo. At Lane, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 70. It was fair, with a temperature of 69 at St. Paul, 68 at South St. Paul, 69 at Crystal, 69 at Eden Prairie, and 70 at Lakeville. Around the state, at Marshall, it was sunny, with a temperature of 70. It was fair, with a temperature of 69 at Rochester, 69 at Mankato, 68 at St. Cloud, 66 at Brainerd, and 59 at Duluth. Under fair skies, Bemidji reported 64, Hibbing reported 63, International.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, tests will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan